I call it the Mongoocific. It's gonna be a chopper type build. Mongoocific. Gotta add the reinforcement here. Strengthen this up a little better with some reinforcement. I'm gonna put my Z at 80 on here from a BMX 20-inch bike. It's gonna help it even stronger, but these welds are solid. I got them pretty thick. I'm gonna grind them a little smoother. Sand it all down, paint it one color. 20-inch rim on the back, 26 on the front. And deciding on the handlebars, not these ones. They don't fit in there. I just popped them in there to see how it felt with them. It's kind of a stretch, so I'm going to make a custom V style where they come back, because I was holding these bars in my hand while I was sitting on it, and it's a reach for these ones. They won't stay up, guarantee. But back here instead of up here, because my back's not that great, so don't want to lean over too hard on it. I'm gonna make me some V bars. They're gonna come out not too wide, not too narrow, not too long either, so I get to turn it easier. But there it is. It's also a next for the seat mount right there. But I'm gonna cut that bar right here off of this, weld it back to here, and I got a bunch, all kinds of metal, all kinds of stuff. Taking maybe definitely needs more work in this area. Seal off the pipes and stuff. Clean this up real good so my motor will mount right here nice. Reinforce it a little bit because it's really not connected there at all. So I'm gonna do some little gussets here. Maybe seal this up, make it look better. But ain't found a bike I liked, and I've been wanting to chopper, so figure I can make my own. Why not? Only have $10 in it, because I did some work for some more weld, so I don't have anything in the weld. But all this metal and that crimson, don't know what size. I think it's some 27-inch wheels on it though. Aluminum frame. Yeah, got that. Everything you see here, $10. So all said and done, I'm painting everything. $150 engine kit, a few odds and ends, banana pipe. I know, around 200. Oh, I'm gonna have to show you my diaphragm carburetor. I finally set up on the Z80. I made a custom intake pipe that it bolts to, and it's on the reed valve and everything. It's nice. Look for that video here shortly after I get this finished. I'm at least going to get a video of this before I paint, maybe not at least, but maybe before I paint it. Just do like a run video and a walk around, and then sand it down, paint it. It's gonna be a rat chopper bike, Zeta powered. There you go. You want to see more on it? Let me know in the comments, whatever. Anyways, I'm uploading more on it. So If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And that's all. Have a good day. Later.